practice of mindfulness of breath. Relax your physical form as much as you're able to in this moment, allowing the shape of your body to support your loving awareness. Feeling the support of the surface that you're on. Depending on the comfort of your body, this can be a seated practice, or you may choose to lie down, making sure to stay in an alert but kind position. If you choose to stand for the practice, then make sure to stand in a tall and dignified way. Allowing the eyes to close gently if that feels okay, or just lowering your gaze. If it is available to you, feel your feet on the ground. Rotating your shoulders softly, relaxing your hands, relaxing your neck, relaxing your entire body. The more you relax, the more you are letting go of tension, letting go of worries. As you let go, your mind begins to relax. With that, I invite you to start noticing subtle sensations in the body. Noticing the body sensation that comes easily for you to be with in this moment. Maybe you do not feel any sensation. Bring that to your kind awareness. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Taking another deep breath in and exhale. If it is easy for you, then bringing awareness to your body in this moment. Bringing awareness to the part that is touching the earth. Feeling that presence right here, right now. Feeling the pressure now. The pressure that your body is exerting on the base under you. If there are any sounds around you, accepting them as a part of your practice. Focusing on the breath. You're not trying to do anything special or to change the breath. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Relaxing and bringing to awareness all the thoughts and sounds that are in and around you. Notice thoughts arising and disappearing. Bring that to your awareness. Bring to your awareness the impermanence of these thoughts as they arise and they are replaced by another thought or perhaps another sensation. Thoughts, sounds, sensations, they are not disturbances. They come and they go. Consider them a part of your awareness, making them a part of your awareness in this practice. Making sure not to get fixated or fascinated by the thoughts that arise. Now bringing your attention to the fact that your body is breathing. Noticing that it is always breathing. And with that, begin noticing where it is easiest to feel the breath. It might be a coolness you feel in your nostrils when you inhale, or a warmth on the upper lip when you exhale. Or maybe you sense something in the back of the throat. It might be the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Or it might be the sensations of the whole body breathing. Resting your attention wherever you find the breath easiest to feel. If the breath is hard to feel and if movement of hand is available to you, then I would suggest you place a hand on the belly and feel the rise and fall of your belly in the palm of your hand. It can be a beautiful way to stay with your breath. Letting yourself feel the next 3 in and out breaths. And as you feel each breath, let the mind calm and the body relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathing in once again and breathe out. Now feel 3 more breaths, and this time, if you can, then notice the quality of your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Continuing with this relaxed and calming attention on the breath. And each time the attention wanders and you notice, gently bringing it back to this moment, to the breath. Letting go of your control of the breath, making sure not to manipulate it in any way. Observe rather than control the breath. Perhaps you may observe how the breath expands the chest on the inhale and contracts on the exhale. Sensing how the chest lifts and falls away with each breath. And if this sounds fancy or something that might require a lot of effort, then please remember, you do not have to do it in this way. You just have to be aware of your breath. Aware of your breath in a way that is easy for you. Using the awareness of the breath as your anchor to the present moment. Noticing this breath right here, right now. Noticing each breath as it develops. If there is any tension in the body at this moment, a tension that is not needed, then allowing it to be released with every breath you take. And if it is not easy to release the tension in this moment, then allowing any tension that remains to be just as it is. No judgments, no manipulation, only pure awareness. Where is your attention now? Where does it go during the silent moments? Each time you notice that your mind has wandered off, you are doing the practice right, just right. This is the moment of mindfulness. Gently bringing your awareness back to the breath. Maybe it is helpful to bring to your awareness the beginning, middle, and the end of the in-breath, and beginning and middle and end of the out-breath. Relaxing with each in-breath and out-breath. Each breath arising and passing with mindful awareness. Noticing again where your attention is, and if it is drifted, gently returning to the sensations of breathing. As you feel each breath, let the mind calm and body relax. If there is restlessness, don't be upset. Gently bring this emotion to your awareness. Just keep coming back to your anchor. We're slowly moving towards the end of our practice. Sitting in silence for a few more minutes and noticing our breath. Gently opening your eyes if they were closed, moving your body around, and I would invite you to feel the present moment.